Hey second grade, welcome back to another math lesson. Today I'm going to be teaching you a little trick to make it easier when your minute hand isn't pointing directly at a specific number. So it's in between a 1 and a 2. What are you going to do? Alright, I will show you now. So, here is our time. So our hour hand is pointing to the 12, so I know we're in the 12 hour, but it's between the 2 and the 3. So what I am going to do is I am going to count by fives, and then I'm going to add the ones when I can't count by fives anymore. So this is what I mean. So I have 0, 5, 10. I can't go to 3 because that would be too big of an amount of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm at 10, then I'm going to count these little dashes to get my exact time. So I have 10, 11, 12. Ooh, I didn't even mean to do that. It's exactly 12, 12. Let's try with another time. Now, sometimes, especially if you're reading clock in the real world, you're not going to be able to draw a dotted line, so you kind of have to just use your finger or use your best judgment. If the time isn't perfect, that's okay when you're reading an analog clock, which is this big clock right here. So let's see here. Let me get the time written down. All right, so our hour hand first. I see it's between the 8 and the 7, and we know we always go to the smaller number for the hour. So we're at 7, and now our minute hand is in between the 9 and the 10. So I'm going to count by fives until I get to the 9, and then I'm going to count by ones until I get to the dash that my minute hand is pointing to. And I am not going to write a dotted line. I'm just going to look at it with my eyes. And as I look at it, I can see it's pretty much on this dash. So I'm going to count that dash as what time we're at. All right, let's get started counting by our fives. We have 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now I'm going to stop and start counting by ones. 45, 46, 47, 48. So our time is 7:48. And just like that, I taught you a super simple trick to still be counting by fives, but know exactly what time it is when it's not exactly at one of those 5 increments. All right, second grade, have an awesome time doing your assignment.